Hi everybody, George Chamberlain here. Thought I'd talk a little bit today about the stock market. You know, it's been kind of an interesting run that we've had in here as of late. We had a terrible month of January. The stock market took a pretty good hit. Not a big hit, but we were down about 3.5%. And then as soon as we ripped that page off the calendar and got into February, things started improving and improving dramatically. We've not only recovered everything we lost in January, but we've now been moving to all-time record highs. We're recording this on the 25th of February, and the market has hit a record high 2 of the last 3 trading sessions. And the key here seems to be the level of 18,000 on the Dow. What we've done over the last few months, there have been times when the market has moved up to that level, hit it, and fell back, hit it, and fell back. And usually this happens. It's a fairly normal thing, and then ultimately it will break through and start to run. And that's where we are now. We're trading above 18,200, picking up a little bit of momentum along the way in here. The other thing that's fun about the stock market is watching what is called the NASDAQ index. This is an index that's heavily weighted with technology companies, okay? And during the dot-com bubble back in 2000, it exploded. It was way up there, and then fell sharply. It went from over 5,000 to below 2,000. It lost nearly 3/4 of its value. And that was back in 2000. And we have not recovered from that completely, but we're getting very close. We're only about 70 or 80 points away from a new high for the NASDAQ, which would be a pretty impressive threshold to get to. And we've had a big run in here. As I mentioned, we're recording this morning. The last time we had a down day in the NASDAQ was on February 6th. So that's 10 trading sessions in a row that the NASDAQ has been moving toward that level just above the 5,000 mark. So believe me, when that happens, there'll be plenty of reason for celebration. And all of this points out the importance of staying invested in your 401k plan or other things like that. Yeah, it's tempting when things sound like they're really bad to maybe get out of the market, but you never know when to get back in is the tough spot. So always keep some of your money invested for long-term growth. I'm George Chamberlain. Have a good one.